There we go. On napkins. When in doubt, break out whatever you have in your pockets or anything. Hello guys, Pete here. I'm at the pond, and today we're gonna try fishing. I got the light action rod. We're gonna try pan fishing. I got 2 bags of my custom bug baits I pour, and I got a pliers, 3 little jig heads, and some scent stuff, and that's it. And we're gonna see if anything's popping. And all right guys, we're gonna try here real quick. I got the bug on, and I got my dauber. I may have it too low, we'll see. I'm gonna cast out, see if anything's popping in. You may have to move. We'll see. Oh, there we go. First cast. What do we got here? Look at that beauty on the bug. Ooh, they're cold. Still in the sun, but I moved down. Let's see if anything's here. All I see is a lot of turtles, and I actually seen a big carp swimming in here, and I never seen them before, so someone must have let them go. Now this place is probably gonna get ruined. It's a little one. They love me bugs. Ooh, they feel cold. Oh, they're cold. Let's let them go. There we go. Oh, don't go into that. Oh. A lot of messy branches in here now. That's a nice one. Let them go. So far, so good. Uh-oh. There's a little turtle right there. Well, that spot's ruined. It used to be a nice spot to fish. You could cast straight across. No more. I may have to go back in the sun. There we go. Finally got something. We're in the sun. On the bug. Oh. Come on, fishy. Come on, where the heck are you guys? There we go, that one pulled it under. Finally one that pulled it under. Ooh, thank you for biting. Didn't get one in a long time. Thank you, Mr. Fishy. Here he is. As cold as he is, he bit like a beauty. Thank you. Alright guys, you thought I was kidding. I put on this piece of napkin. I have a paper towel with the scent stuff. Now let's see what happens. There we go. On napkins. When in doubt, break out whatever you have in your pockets, or anything. There he is, guys, on a napkin. Right there, you seen it? On a scented napkin. Holy, I didn't catch nothing in the longest time. Thank God. Let's let him go. Alright guys, that's it for me. I caught a few bluegills. Today was kind of slow. It was sunny out, then it rained like hell. I got wet, and then it cleared up, and I caught one on some napkin. That's about it. So that's it for me. I hope you enjoyed the show. Thanks for watching. I appreciate it as always. Leave me the good stuff, comments, likes, and all that stuff. And if you're new watching, please subscribe. I'll see you next time. PH out.